I remember when I tried, like I thought, okay, let's just take a break and then I'll start fresh, which was, I think, a wrong decision.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, another day, what a great day. Ritika has claimed 25 points towards her permanent residency. First, she cleared her 𝗏𝗏 Punjabi in the very first go, and now she has got 8 each in PT. And on top of that, she has also received her 190 invite. Congratulations, Ritika.
Thank you.
Very well done. Very, very happy. Especially when it comes to your PT journey, right? It is something which is very inspiring for me as well. You took few attempts, you were just missing by 1 or 2 points, right? And you were really working hard, I'll be very honest. Despite the fact you were working really hard, you were just missing 1 or 2 points, especially in reading section. This time you have got 8.5 in reading. What do you think is important for reading section? Because that is one section a lot of students out there struggle with. What do you think is important?
Basically, people think that reading is just about cramming from the different websites, but it's not. First of all, you can, that's what I did for the first time. I tried to cram all the prediction files from different websites, but it didn't work for me because I was trying to cram it rather than understanding the fact, like what exactly going on. So, but after a few sessions with you personally, and then I realized, no, it's not about cramming cramming anything, rather than you have to understand what's exactly going on in the paragraph. So I follow all the techniques that you provided me, and then I remember for the last exam I worked hard, and you really worked with me, and you motivated me so well. So yeah, I took few leaves also for that, and luckily I got it because I followed the techniques.
That's right, guys. Very important, a very good point over here. We normally see students, they just try to cram all of the reading, but we need to prepare for this fact as that you may get something out of the material which you have not done. And it's not like you'll wait for that particular day where you will get everything repeated and then you get the score.
Yes, that's what happened.
Yes.
I mean, I hardly got, I think, 1 or 2 fill-ups repeated, but all I was trying to do is understanding. Even though I knew the answer, still I tried to read all the, I literally read all the whole paragraph, and yeah, most of the time we got the answer in the paragraph itself. So that was really relieving for me, and yeah, that's what helped us.
So basically, it's very important you understand what's going on, because a lot of time we try to do the guesswork, right? Or we just think, yes, this is what I have read, this is what I've read this word, let's put this. So very important you understand the context. If it's your reorder paragraphs or your blanks, reading is more about understanding than cramming. Even if you are not really sure with vocabulary or grammar, if you understand the context, right, you'll be able to solve it. You'll be able to solve it, guys. Very important you understand the context when it comes to your reading section. You are very, very regular to the lab sessions. You have spent a lot of time here. You used to finish work, you used to spend a lot of hours. It takes a lot of dedication, it takes a lot of effort. What motivated you to come here, sit in the lab sessions rather than sitting at home and practicing?
At home we can study, no issues, but over here, even though we have a doubt, like even little bit doubt, we can just raise our hand, and anybody, like one of the staff member will be there, and they can spend like minutes, and I mean, I think I had one fill-up where I couldn't understand, and one of the staff members spent 15 minutes trying to analyzing the whole structure, like what exactly going on. So that really helped. I mean, it's not like we can't study at home, but over here it's different. You can clear your doubts and you can get more knowledge from your peers and from the staff.
That's right.
Which is really good.
So basically you get the feedback. You get the feedback, and you are 100% certain of how and what you understand the reasoning. Right? Because if you don't understand the reasoning, you just try to understand it by yourself, and if you get something similar in the exam, you'll be very confused. Right?
And moreover, over here it's not like at home we'll think like, okay, reading is the weak point, and we start doing reading, but over here like what other modules gonna give you score in the reading part, and you give the tasks for that and different tasks, even though we know we are good in it, but you as a mentor know, like, no, that can help you get the scores. So that actually helps rather than sitting at home and coming here. That made a huge difference.
That's right. So basically you had a clear conceptual idea of how everything works, right? because if you are missing out in reading, let's say, it's very important you work on your speaking as well.
Yes.
Right? You work on every time you got 19 speaking.
Yeah.
But still we used to practice a lot of speaking.
Yes.
Right? So it's very, very important, guys. You take a number of mock tests and you know which section will impact your scores and which are the tasks which are not very important, and that's how you're going to get your score. Ritika, any advice for students out there? I remember at one point you were about to give up, but I'm really, really happy, really proud. Can't tell you that you did not. Right, and I'll say it's worth it, right?
Yeah, definitely.
It's worth it, right? The day you got your 8 each, after 2 days you got your invite as well.
Yes, yeah,
right?
that was shocking actually.
That's right. Any advice for people who are just missing by few points, they feel like giving up, or they even think of taking a break, right? Why they should not give up, or why they should not stop taking the exam, or why they should not go for a break?
Definitely they should not take a break, because right at this moment they will be having a momentum of like every module. They know what's going on, new techniques and the whole material. I remember when I tried, like I thought, okay, let's just take a break and then I'll start fresh, which was I think a wrong decision. And I remember you called me and said, why you're not coming to the class and this and that, and I was like, okay, let's just try again. I'll just go and explain him that I can't do it. But nah, it didn't work that way, and I'm happy that it didn't work that way. And we started the same momentum again. So if we'll take a break, the momentum will go definitely.
Yes.
Even though it's coming like there are few repeats and then dictations which come like definitely, and most of the time it'll come in the exam repeated. So it won't make a huge difference, but 1 or 2 marks gonna like it's definitely gonna make a huge difference. So I don't think we should take any break. If you have started something, you better finish it and then take a break. And long break you can take it. That's what I'm doing right now.
That's right.
Rather than just a small break which won't worth it. So I think that's
right. Very good point over here, guys. Make sure if you have started something, you finish it off and then only go for a break, because when you're practicing, you're just missing by a few points, you are in a flow. Your brain is used to repeat sentences, your brain is used to write from dictations, it is used to the whole of the mock test. So if you are in flow, I understand that it is very difficult to start all over again, right? Because when you go and sit for the exam, according to you, you have done everything right and still you miss out. And that is disappointing. That is something disheartening as well. But we need to understand the fact that yes, until and unless you don't get the score, you won't be able to claim points. And if you have started something, you need to finish it off, because sooner or later you'll have to do it. There's no other way around it. There's no other way around it. So it's very, very important you finish this at the earliest and make sure you can focus on other things. That's it from this video. Congratulations once again, Ritika. Very well done. That's it from this video, guys. Make sure you do not give up or you do not take a break. If you have started it, finish it off and then relax, and I'm 100% sure it's going to be worth it. The day you will get your score, you will realize how important it was to not give up. That's it. Keep on practicing, believe in yourself, and you are going to do it as well. Thanks, guys. I'll see you very soon.